Hi, I'm Tim from Family Property, and today I want to introduce you to the neutral balance sheets table view. The table view is designed to look like a joint balance sheet where you've got your assets, liabilities, and superannuation funds listed down the screen with the outcome box for both parties' proposals at the very bottom. You'll see that it's listed in such a way that you can quickly confirm the identity and ownership of each item and then compare the proposed values and the actions both parties want to take with the items. Every item will have its own menu located on the right hand side, and if you click here it allows you to then display and view the details of each item in the individual parties' balance sheets, such as Alexander's details for the family home compared with Sophia's details for the family home. I could also quickly and easily remove any items from this neutral balance sheet by clicking the delete button. For any item that doesn't have a matching item in both balance sheets, you'll see that I have two actions that I can take. So as an example, we have a BMW listed here, 2016, and also a BMW listed down the bottom. And looking at this, I can tell that this is not a duplicate. It is actually the one and the same item, just with different names in each of the parties' balance sheets. So to resolve this issue, I would just click on this link button here and then select the name from the other party's balance sheet like that. And I would also then confirm the ownership and click update. And as you'll see, that has now created a joint record for the BMW, removing what looked like a duplicate from the bottom. The next item to have a look at here is the Bitcoin. And I can see here that this item is currently not in Sophia's balance sheet at all. So in this case, I want to click the add button and add this item, the Bitcoin, into Sophia's balance sheet. And there you go. You can now see that it's in Sophia's balance sheet as well as Alexander's. Now, any valuations or proposals that are in disagreement, you can see this clearly indicated because the text goes red. And this allows you to quickly zero in and zoom in on those items, and then you can quickly make changes to anything. The description by clicking on it and making changes, the ownership by clicking on that and making changes, or the individual values. Let's say, for instance, I want to change the value here for Alexander's proposed value. I can click on that and enter the number. If I wanted to apply this updated value to both sides, I could tick this box and it would automatically apply to both sides. And now when it comes to the proposals, I can see that Alexander would like to sell the investment unit, whereas Sophia would like to retain it. Let's say, for instance, that Alexander agrees that Sophia can retain it. I simply just click here, and now with this visual slider, I can move it into position. Left-hand side means that we're going to transfer it to Alex in Alexander's column. Otherwise, anywhere in between is a sale action, and over into the right means that we're going to Sophia's going to retain it. I could also type in exact dollar figures if I want to, and also apply this proposal to both parties if I wanted to as well. And so clicking update applies that change, and now these numbers are green. Finally, with the Bitcoin, Alexander would like to retain that. We can see that in his column, but at the moment we have yet to make a proposal from Sophia. So I'm going to do that now by clicking here, and now as you can see I can move the slider. In this case we're going to move it back over into Alexander is going to retain that. Sophia agrees with that, and now you can see that that is green as well. Now, once you've reached an agreement, once you come down into the outcome box, you will see that this message here confirming that you have an agreement on all item proposals, and then you can confirm the outcome based on both parties' numbers in the box below. Finally, if I go to more and go to documents, I could then convert this information I see on the screen here into a variety of different documents. Probably the most common ones are the proposal documents and the heads of agreement documents if you have reached an agreement. I hope you found this a useful introduction in how to use the neutral balance sheet.